guys, Slams, Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. Today I am going to review some of the best toys of my time. But first, before that, today in England it is Mother's Day and my dad has got me a little gift. So I've been saving it to review with you. It says right here, amazing people deserve beautiful things. I guess I'm an amazing person because I got it. So, let's review. There's a lot of wrapping paper. Oh, I think I got the box. There we go. It says, around it says special gift for you. Yeah, look at all the designs. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, it's a mug. It says Total Legend, and inside it there's lots of cool little like artwork. Inside it says Legend, yeah, wow, and lots of other stuff. Look inside. The artwork's very good. Okay, I'm gonna just put this back in here and save the wrapping and the box for later. Okay, now let's get into what this video was about at the first place. To start with the review, I've got this toy Bumblebee here. It's quite big and quite hard to make into a car. This is Bumblebee from Transformers. Transformers is just a little cartoon for kids that is about alien robots that can transform into cars. If you look here, I'm showing you around the sides. Here's his wheels. It's all about these robots who came to Earth, and then there's also Decepticons, which are the evil ones. It's just a little cartoon kid for like kids who love robots, cars, or just action altogether. Okay, let's start. Before I transform this robot into a car, I want to show you something. There's a little switch here. There's a little switch right here, and when I press it, this happens. He gets into a super mode powered by a mystical force in the cartoon called Energon. It's very powerful and it makes him even more cooler. If you look here, his eyes like a honeycomb shape. Anyway, if you want to put it back, first you flip these down, then put this up. Then you just push it back down, hear the click, and that's all you need to do to put it back up. There is also sounds, like on and off. Here's a switch for it right here. But right now I don't have the batteries for the sound, sadly, so I can't show you the sound.